Hello everyone, let's quickly make some cupcakes. First crack 2 room temperature eggs, whisk for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar, whisk again until sugar dissolves. Once the sugar is dissolved with the egg, then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now gradually add 6 tablespoons of refined flour and mix gently. To get right consistency of batter, add 3 tablespoons room temperature milk. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. In goes 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whisk well. Check for the consistency of batter and gradually add the remaining milk. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and the remaining milk. In ceramic baking cups, grease some oil and dust some flour. Pour 2 scoop batter in each cups. Add some compounded chocolate or chocolate chips for extra chocolatey taste. Bake for 1 minute 30 seconds and it's done. Do try this easy 1 minute cupcakes and have it warm. You will surely love it.